how to post drafts on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video I'll show you how you can post drafts on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have posted a draft video, but you can see that you do not see your draft video on your profile page. That is because you will not be able to find them within your profile page. So if you want to view a draft video and then post them accordingly, what you need to do is just tap on the plus icon and go about creating a simple post. Once you go to the plus icon over here, you'll be able to choose your photos, but to choose a draft video you have to go to the tab called drafts, which is right over here. When you go to the draft section, you'll be able to see the draft videos that you have saved previously. Now once you select the specific video over here, just choose the option called next from the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll be able to see your draft video. Now if you want, you can make changes to it by editing the cover photo, by also adding a caption, by tagging a few people. You can also add a message pattern or add location or recommend on Facebook. Whatever else you think is convenient for you, just tap on the share button once you do that. And after you've done that, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then post your draft videos on Instagram. And that's all it takes to post drafts on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.